Hi guys, tracing this crystal hexagonal wall sconce for ribbon purposes. I think it's really nice. It comes very well protected with lots of foam, so it comes everything you need to install it. This is the actual main unit. Let me take it out. As you can see, it's quite nice. So I'm gonna install it in the bathroom. The crystals are these ones. As you can see, I think they're really nice. So let's go ahead and install them. Let's see how they look. Let's go.
As you can see, we have installed it. It looks pretty in this bathroom. And you can see the nice warm color that it gives. It's perfect for my daughter's room. Perfect. If you need a new light, you can put it horizontally or vertically, but this looks nice horizontally in this bathroom. Thank you.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.